How to reset your Samsung voicemail password.
Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we are going to guide you through the process of resetting your Samsung voicemail password, a common issue that can be resolved quickly and easily. It's always important to remember your voicemail password, but if you forgot, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive in.
Why might you need to reset your voicemail password?
Occasionally, you may forget your voicemail password or you might feel that it has been compromised. In both cases, resetting the password can help protect your privacy and keep your messages secure. Your voicemail password is the key to access voicemail messages from your Samsung phone, so it's essential to handle it responsibly.
How to reset your voicemail password from the device.
Your device settings provide the easiest way to reset your voicemail password. Follow these steps. 1. Open your phone app and select the voicemail tab, usually at the bottom right corner. 2. In the voicemail screen, select the settings icon or menu button, typically at the top right corner. 3. Find and select change voicemail password or a similar option. 4. Enter a new password. Make it something that's hard for others to guess but easy for you to remember. 5. Confirm your new password by re-entering it when prompted, then save the changes.
How to reset your voicemail password with carrier assistance.
If you can't access the voicemail settings or the previous steps didn't work, you might need to contact your carrier. Most carriers, like AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, and T-Mobile, offer ways to reset your voicemail password online or over the phone. To reset your password with carrier assistance, 1. Contact your carrier's customer service, either by calling them or going to their website. 2. Ask them to reset your voicemail password. They might ask you some security questions to confirm your identity. 3. Once reset, they will provide you a temporary password. 4. Use this temporary password to access your voicemail and set a new password. Remember to always verify the contact details of your carrier to avoid any security risks. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to reset your Samsung voicemail password without any hassle. Always keep your password secure and confidential. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and we hope it's been helpful. If you have any other tech questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Happy troubleshooting!